I'm working. It's Friday here, and I'm not busy. So I have nothing to do now. Feeling busy. Feeling ganito ang life dito. Oops, wrong. Dito po ako nag-work, nasa Victoria, BC po ako. I'm working in accounting department in this company. So let's pretend that we are busy. Kayo po, where are you from? Comment naman kayo. Nasaan kayo, ha? Ganito lang po, check. It's 11 a.m. almost lunchtime. Lunch will be at 12. So wala na akong magawa, so check na lang. Review sa mga work for month end. Life work balance dito sa Canada. Life work balance. This Monday, today is Friday, this Monday is Victoria, Canada Day. Victoria Day. So long weekend. Kaya maraming nagbabakasyon.